Hi, in this video we can see how many records exist in our database. So currently we see four records available in employee table, but we can get in number how many records available in our employee table. So in repository, one method have count return number of records. So here we can return count, and here long. Okay, and here also we can return long. Can test in existing API. Call employee service. Here no need to pass any parameter. On testing purpose we can add here, no issue. For our learning purpose. So count method, it returns number of record return that's in long data type. So we first of all restart the application and check out with cross verified. Let's in database we have 4 records, so it must be written 4. Okay, let's check. Now see here 4 records. We can manually add what records here. Suppose I write here and 96,000 salary, and the total record we have 5. Now see here 5 record, and what we get in API. Now see here 5 records is so we only use the count method. So here we not need to count query space, need to write here. We just count method available in repository. So that's